Good morning, it's Brian Pash. I wanted to just record a video showing two free tools on how to inspect websites for Google Tag Manager containers and scripts. What I found is that there are more GTM containers on VDPs than on the homepage. So when you do this test with your own websites, go to a VDP. I'm just picking Friendship CJDR. Now that I'm on this page, I've loaded Ghostery as a free plugin. So up in the upper right, I've pinned the Ghostery plugin, and I'm going to click on it. And you'll see that it has 18 different products on the website. Okay, let's see what they are. I click on advertising. There's one Google tag, another Google container, Trade Desk, Google Marketing Platform, Dotami. Then you can scroll down: Facebook, Google Analytics, Microsoft Clarity, Utilities, Tag Manager, Adobe Dynamics, some Amazon Web Services, JS Deliver, iPerception, Stripe, and then some unidentified, which Four Eyes, looks like Shift Digital Apps, Comply Auto, and Audio Eye. So this is really helpful to see what is on the site. Okay, so I'm just going to unclick Ghostery. Now I'm going to look at the G-Tag Inspector. So I'm going to click on that free tool. That's what it should look like, okay, if it's installed. That's the tool itself. Now, let's go to the website that we were just on. I'm going to right-click, go to Inspect. Then I'm going to click on the double arrows up here. I'm going to go to G-Tag Inspector. Now, I'm on a VDP. And I'm going to hit refresh up here on the left just to refresh the page. And there's 5 GTM containers and 2 analytics scripts. Remember, it's 5 GTMs. If I go to the home page and hit refresh, there's also 5. It's not always the case. So these are the 5 GTM and 2 analytic scripts. And then sometimes if you go into these GTMs, you can kind of figure out whose they are. So here's fullthrottle.js. So I would mark in your spreadsheet, the owner of this is Full Throttle. I would look here, and this is this funky thing that I discovered is an old, I'm pretty sure this is the one, yeah, the old script that was an old Stellantis campaign. This should be removed completely from the website. Let's look at this one here, the D2 container. And this looks like it's a lookup table. And these are different websites, customers of whoever this particular product is from. And let's see if we can see who it is. Okay, these are more of their customers. Supposedly this is not running. Doesn't take a long time to run, according to some people who have these lookup tables. More lookup tables. It looks like lot length, LL. Yeah, lot length. So you can go and start to label these GTM containers on your sheet so you understand what's in them and who's responsible for them. So for example, if you're not using lot lengths anymore, or if you're not using Full Throttle anymore, these GTM containers you could ask them to be removed. So this little video is a quick way to see free tools that can help you see what's on your website. I hope this is helpful.